Hello and welcome. Now, it's quite possible that you want to take note of when a specific event happened so that you'll be able to measure it against the activity that you're seeing in your Google Analytics account. And Google Analytics has given you a tool inside of your system to help you with that process. And it's called creating annotations. Now, if you go to your audience menu and you look at the overview for a particular site, that's what we are looking at right now, you will notice that there is activity on certain days. Now, we could mark a specific day when an activity happened so that we might be able to look at our chart or look at our data and see that there was an effect to what actually happened. In order to do that, we would then go to this middle bar and we would click this arrow and then we would click Create New Annotation. Once we create the annotation, we're actually going to write in the actual activity. Now we can decide whether or not we want this visibility to be shared or private. Once we do that, we can then click Save. We can then notate this by clicking the star. So then the star will actually show up on our overview chart. Now there is another way to set up an annotation, and you can actually set one up for something that's going to happen in the future. And you can do that by going to your admin panel. And once you've actually picked the website that you're going to want to annotate, you're going to come to this right side, going to scroll down, and you're going to click Annotations. What you're then able to do is to click New Annotation. You can make sure that this annotation will be starred, and then you can actually pick your date and what the event is actually going to be. Now again, if you want the rest of your team or anyone else that's looking at the account to actually see your annotation, you're going to click Shared. If you don't, you can actually click Private, and it'll only show up then in your account. Once you actually have the annotation, you can click Create Annotation. You can then go back and create another annotation in the very same way if you want to mark the end of something or you want to mark the beginning of something new. Annotations are a way of your being able to track activity based on events that happen in your business. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.